Hello, I'm David Welch, the creative manager for Portal Knights, our new sandbox crafting action RPG, launching soon in Steam Early Access on PC. The name of the game is Portal Knights, and there's a reason for this. So, in order to travel from world to world, you'll need to collect these portal shards, which you can then craft into portal stones of various colors. You can then place the stones into these portal structures you'll find, and then huzzah! You've opened a portal to a new world. Just step inside and away you go. In your menu, you'll find a map tab that shows all the worlds you've explored, as well as the ones you haven't. You'll notice that these arrows hint at how many potential exits there are. A couple other cool things in this menu. One, this button, which warps you back to your current world's landing pad. Really helpful if you get stuck in a hole or reach the bottom of a dungeon. And two, this home button, which will select your home world for easy access. Otherwise, if you want to travel somewhere else, just select the world and then press travel. We have lots of different environments in the game: forests, deserts, volcanoes, and within each environment there's lots of cool stuff like dungeons, mine shafts, and ruins to explore. We're trying to make each island as dense as we possibly can with content so that as you wander around, you're just constantly finding new cool areas. It wouldn't be a sandbox game if you couldn't mine, so boom, there it is. As you probably guessed, there's lots of different ore types that let you build better weapons and armor. We also have gems that play into magic and damage types. There's a few different mining tools, which is fun. There are also lots of different resources that are unique to each world. So naturally, you'll have to find and collect lots of ingredients for crafting. To help out with this, in the world map, we actually have a pop-up for each island with a list of what you can find there, which is super helpful. We have put a ton of time into our crafting system, and as I mentioned before, we really want to make sure that it's intuitive and that you can get up and running without having to dig through wikis. There's multiple crafting stations, some of which are class specific. You can see the ingredients you need for different recipes, and to help keep things organized, there are these different handy category buttons. Another interesting mechanic we've added is that you can upgrade your crafting stations to unlock new recipes, which makes things a little easier than having to make new crafting stations all the time. We're still figuring out the best way to keep things organized and help guide you through the crafting tree, but we think this is a pretty solid start.